This is a part one of a two-part series on how to build a questionnaire. Now, when you get to your landing page and sign in, if you navigate to the left-hand side, you see questionnaire section. Click into that section, and now you'll see import, create, and send to patient functionalities up here. You hit that create function, and it's going to take you to another page where you can start building your questionnaire. So different use cases for this questionnaire section. You can build intake and initial assessment questionnaires. They can be as comprehensive as you'd like. You can also include diagnostic screening questions like the GAD-7 and PHQ-9 that we've included here in your pre-selections templates. And you can, other than that, you can build risk assessment, substance use evaluations, cognitive and functional assessments like the MOCA, and even specialized assessments like the autism spectrum questionnaires. So honestly, like a lot of different use cases. So let's build an intake questionnaire for this example. So you can go ahead and press this intake questionnaire. This pre-made sections section is basically, we've grouped different questions together that you can just automatically, include into your template. We are working on developing this section more. So if you have any, sections that you would like for us to include that you've already built, etc., please go ahead and share your opinions. We're always looking for new ideas. Okay, so now go ahead and select that create option. Now you have the sections that you've created over here. So you can actually very easily navigate into any of your sections, or you can, scroll. Over here on the top, you can modify any of these sections and then obviously describe them if you want. Over here on this functionality is going to be the community share functionality. So very similar to how your templates are structured. You click that and it shares in the community, which will feature in part 2 of this series. You click add item here. You can create a new title, right? So let's do sleep. Okay, and then you can describe it if you want. Click that save. So now you see a new section populate here on the left. Now you can build out that section by, you can say, describe your sleep, and you can keep it as a free section over here, whether you want to require it or not. It's up to you. And this way they can write extra, descriptive words, or you can create any kind of sections using tables, like if you want single selection, multiple selection. For the single selection example, you can actually make these questions conditional questions as well. And what I mean by that is, let's say sleep quality, let's say duration, frequency. Now, if your patient is clicking any of these examples and you want extra information, you can, suggest which ones you want more information for them to provide by navigating down here, which will basically create a conditional statement saying, give them a space to elaborate further after the question is made. So now you just click that section over there. And let's say you forgot you want to add sections in between different, different titles. You're also able to do that. If you just kind of scroll in between the section, you'll see this add item here. Click into that, and now you can insert different questions, or you can even insert different sections as well and create a section in between. So it's really all about how you want to build it. You can play around with it. And if you have questions, please feel free to click this contact us and feedback option and just give us a quick feedback. Stay tuned for part 2, where I go over how to utilize the community feature and also how to send these questions to your clients or your patients.